Let's start today's video. For that I'm going to draw one straight line on the bottom of my paper and one line in the middle, one line on the top and one line in the middle. Now we can start from here and this arch will go here. It's kind of like an arch. Or we can do a big arch and then we will chop the thing. So it's a big arch over here and then this will be going from here. So this arch will be a little bit bigger than this one. Now from here I will turn this one. This is almost halfway and a little bit from here, kind of like an alphabet L shape. And from here, not really bulgy, slightly curved, and under this line it will be kind of like that. Now from here, slightly going towards this side, slightly, not really straight, not really tilted this side, just slightly, and it will go, and from here it will try to go this side. Down here and up here. Now from here we can do this one a little bit down. Let me erase all the extra lines over here. This is the line and this one is going and crossing this one. It can go a little bit up or down, doesn't matter. If this is the, I can put this line over here. So this is the line. I will erase again extra line so it will be more clear. So from here, this line is touching over here, so a little bit back here. We will try to curve this one and this line will go and touch this line, and from here we can turn and go a little bit down, or a smiley first and then it will go down like this, and skinny one will come here and then it will go this direction. Right now it looks really bulgy over here, so I will adjust this one so it has to be smooth. This is the area we are going to color black. This is the line, we will pull a little bit in, and after this line we are going to draw one triangle shape eye. Now from here we can curve this one, we can draw. So this line is big and this one is small, and this can go up a little bit over here. We can turn just like a circle and then we will leave this way. So over here, one ear, kind of like a circular shape or drop shape, it will come inside. And we can do comma style black here. So this line will also come here. This is the line. Over here we can do half circle over here, and then black one will be inside over here. The other one, same thing. Over here we are going to draw a drop shape and another one inside. Now from here we will pull this one out just slightly, then this is the area we are going to do black, we will turn, and this one we can do smiley here and make it a little bit dark at the end. Do the bottom one, it will go exactly on this line, and from here we can turn, not going really long, almost like a 1 finger or 2 finger spacing from here. We can do one cute triangle shape. From here we can draw one curvy line, 1 2, and then this line will go a little bit above than this line. From here we can draw another one, and we can start from here a little bit above the line. We will draw one line over here for this one, so this one will go like a little bit of space, and 1 and 2, and then this will go just slightly up here. The other one we can draw here, we cannot see this one, so we will leave this way. Now we are going to connect this one over here